Welcome! In front of me is an ASUS Zenfone 11 Ultra, and today I will show you how you can boot this device into safe mode. So to get started, hold your power button, and when we have our boot options, you want to hold power off. This then changes into reboot to safe mode, so we're going to confirm this by selecting OK. Wait for the device to boot back up, and once it does, it will, like the message stated, boot into safe mode. Now in that mode, only the pre-installed applications will function, and any app that you have installed yourself will be temporarily disabled, so you can troubleshoot your device. Now if you don't have any kind of software-based problems, it's really redundant to boot it into this mode, as it does limit the usability of the device by quite a bit by removing any downloaded application. By saying removing it, it's kind of blocked from running. So you can see widgets don't work in here as well, and it looks like Zenfone hides the apps that won't run. I presume there was an app visible right here, but I don't recall. So if there was, obviously it's not visible. Anyway, once you're done with this mode and you want to go back to the normal one, hold your power button once more, and this time around you're going to select restart. When the device boots back up, it automatically goes back to normal mode. Now with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.